All right. In Pakistan, Pakistan is an agriculture country, and farming is an essential part of it. And since farming is really strong here, that is why all over the year the crops are grown and harvested. They are planted and they are harvested. So on page number 35, what do we have? Yes, we have talked about two agricultural seasons. One is Rabi and the other is Kharif. Rabi, always remember, because at times when you are writing in your examinations, you make mistakes like you write the explanation of Kharif into Rabi and Rabi into Kharif. So just remember it with the keyword that Rabi is planted in winters and Kharif is planted in summers. Okay, so what does happen here? So Rabi crops are mainly planted from October to December. This is the season, this is the time when these Rabi crops are planted, and they are immediately, harvested after the wet season, which is in April and May. On the other side, what happens in Kharif crops? In Kharif crops, they are mainly planted just before the wet season, all right, in April to June, and they are harvested from October to December. The reason why they are harvested before the wet season is that they require ample amount of water, and that is the best time to plant them and then ultimately get what? The enough water from natural resource, that is rain. Okay, otherwise we do irrigation as well, which we have discussed in the last chapter. I hope everyone is clear with irrigation. Now let's talk about Rabi crops. What are Rabi crops? All right, in Rabi crops we have wheat, barley, oilseeds, pulses, other crops like potatoes and onions, which are grown all over the year, and fruits like citrus and tropical. We'll see that which are citrus fruit and which are tropical fruit once we will reach that part. Okay, as you all know that what wheat is all about. Wheat is one of the most important crop, okay, in Pakistan and in all over the world, because the bread is made out of it. Roti, chapati, bread, rusk, all these things that we eat it by the help of having the wheat with us. Okay, now the barley is considered to be a tough crop. Why is it considered to be a tough crop? Because it grows in a drier area. Okay, but it needs a cool climate. It requires a cool climate, but it grows in a drier area, and it is largely used for animals. You remember when there is Bakra Eid, what happens? What we are feeding our animals with? हम क्या खिला रहे होते हैं अपने animals को? The boys may know it very well. The raw grains, those barleys, those are, yes, exactly. That is a combination. And also the grassy things are also fed to our animals. Okay. Now, what are oil seeds? Oil seeds. I'm reading it for you so we will be able to cover it quickly. Okay, oil from plants is important for cooking and is a vital part of people's diet as it supplies much of the fat which is needed for health and energy. So there is a conception that fats are not good for human beings. I mean, it makes you fat and all. But on the opposite side, if you take it and consume it on a right amount, that means you are getting enough of it. Okay. So what is happening here is we use oil. These oil seeds are used to extract the oil, all right, and that ultimately that oil is used for cooking purpose. Like everything that we are cooking, we are frying, we are making vegetables. Some things are baked. Even the baked items require a little amount of oil on it. The girls who are more into cooking, they know that how important oil is, and maybe the boys also get a chance to cook at home. So I hope you all know the importance of oil seeds. Okay, so edible oil is obtained from pressing the seeds of cotton, sunflower, rape, soya bean, canola, maize, mustard, sesame, and peanut plants. If you go for a grocery, you find different kind of oils over there. There are olive oils, there are sesame oil, sunflower oil. All these oils are extracted from the seeds of these plants. Parishe, please focus on the lecture. I'll answer you your queries later on. Okay. Now, the government is trying, unfortunately, Pakistan produces less than one third of its needs and has to import the rest. So, we are not growing enough oil seeds in our country, and that is why we have to export it from the other countries. Sorry, import it from the other countries. So, the government is trying to introduce a program to increase the area for oil seed crops by cultivating poorer land and by encouraging farmers to plant oil seed crops in between other crops. It also depends that whatever things that they are harvesting, which is being sold on a great amount. So farmers' preference is other crops and not oil seeds. But government is trying and helping out farmers to work more on this area and grow more oil seeds. So hence, they ultimately have all the essential oils can be produced in our country. I hope everyone is clear till here. Just please show me your thumbs up if oil seeds is clear to you. Mustafa, Hurain, Murtaza, Tuba. Okay. Thank you, students. Now move on to page number 37. What are pulses? Just quickly write the answer in the chat box. What are pulses? Very good, Josefa. And who likes to eat pulses at home? किस किस को पसंद है? Okay. And do you prefer it with a chapati or with rice? Ibad is making a face. That means he does not like eating pulses. Okay, Khariha likes to eat it with rice. Mohib likes few of them. Uh, so some of the students don't like eating pulses at all, but they are very good. They have essential minerals and essential proteins with it. So you should eat it. Even if you don't like it, try and eat it with rice. Okay, with rice it tastes better. Okay, so dals like moong, mash, masoor, and others. There is one more dal which I don't like as well. Uh, no, Sheikh. Sir, the pulses are basically daलें. ठीक है? मूंग, मसूर, mash. You may not know the name, but you have seen it at your home. Orange wali dal, red wali dal. ठीक है? We call it green wali dal because when mother asks you to, bring something and she tells you that you have to bring a mash dal and you're like, which color it has? So it's easier for me to get it from the market. Okay, pani wali dal. All right. Let's get back to page number 37. Pulses. These plants, including gram, moong, mash, masoor, and other dals, are important in the diet of many people because they supply protein. So those who don't like eating dals, they must eat them now because it has the proteins, which is essential for building up the body. So it's essential for our growth. It's essential for the strength, the energy that we get. All right, and it has less fats. So ultimately, it will not make you fat if you're just only having a dal with less amount of oil or we call it tadka on it. Okay? So meat is the best source of protein. However, meat is considered to be the best source of protein, but this is often far too expensive for the majority of the population. So those people who cannot afford to eat meat very often, they prefer eating pulses, all right, because they are easily accessible and they are not very expensive in the market. Okay. So, but this is often for, 1 million tons of pulses are eaten each year. 1 million tons. Do you see that how much amount of pulses are eaten? Okay. So, which is about 92% is grown in Pakistan. The main areas for pulse crops are the eastern Indus Plain and parts of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. So, in the previous chapter, you know what are Indus Plain, where is the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. We have already talked about it. So, it's easier for you to locate in your mind that where these particular crops are growing. No, Sheikh Saad, they are eaten all over the world. Okay, now let's talk about the other crops. The other crops mainly has potatoes and onions, which are grown all over the year. Potatoes, we love potatoes and we eat French fries. I hope a lot of you love eating French fries. This is the best fast food we all like. We make it at home. We get it from the market. Yes, and it's very fattening because it's deep fried and not baked. So potatoes are an important food crops with over 1 million tons produced annually. Just imagine how much potatoes do we get at home. Yes, I also love potatoes. Potatoes grow under a whole variety of conditions as long as it is not too hot, cold, or wet. So it's easier to grow potato because you can grow it all over the year, and it has certain conditions. It can grow in variety of the conditions. Like these days, there are different kind of potatoes coming. Some are very sweet, some are less sweet. Okay, and then onions are also an important food crop, adding flavor to a variety of dishes. They also grow throughout the year. The annual onion crop is about the 1 million tons. So potatoes and onions, they are mainly used. So those students who are joining very late, please try and make a habit of joining the class on time, because you ultimately miss out the part. Okay. All right. So in other crops, including rabi crops, which has the potatoes and onions, and these are grown all over the year, like I said. And basically, onion is used in salads and in other dishes as well. Whenever we are cooking, we do the bagar first. Okay. So onion is an essential part of most of the dishes. Even if you are making kadhai, you are making even nihari, you need it on the top. Even for the halim, you need it. So in most of the dishes, onion is used. That is why it's grown all over there and it's used very much. Now let's come on fruits. Those who are interested in eating fruits, they will really enjoy this topic. Citrus fruit and tropical fruits. I'll answer all these queries, Afsha. This is the last class, but after winter break, you will have your classes again. Okay? So citrus fruits includes oranges and mangoes. Lemons. So those fruits which has citrus in it, ठीक है, that tangy flavor, okay, जिसमें थोड़ी सी खटास होती है, ठीक है, those are citrus fruits and very juicy as well. So they are mainly grown in Punjab, and orange and lemon are considered to be the citrus fruits. Okay, and mangoes in Punjab and Sindh. So tropical fruits such as bananas and dates are now being grown in southern eastern Sindh, in the drier, cooler region of Balochistan and parts of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Apples, apricots, grapes, and almonds are grown. Fruits, especially citrus variety, mangoes, apples, and guavas are a growing exports. So all these kind of fruits are grown in our country, and they are heavily exported outside. The mangoes are famous all over the world. The mangoes of Pakistan, and people really like eating them. Yes, grapefruit as well. Grapefruit is also a citrus fruit, and it's easily available here. So these are the season you should know that when we are growing it, what are citrus fruit, what are tropical fruits. So by